Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I'd like to do today is to introduce you all to my pawn shop business plan template. So the way the video is going to play out is first and foremost going to go ahead and give you all a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. And then after that, I will introduce you all to my Word document, which is the actual business plan template for the pawn shop. And then I'll also show you the financial model, which is in an Excel file. All right, and at the end of the day, if you're interested in purchasing my pawn shop business plan template, the link is right here to purchase it. Any questions before you purchase the template, my phone number, you can text me or call me right here. All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and zip through this little presentation. So as promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, doctoral candidate, MBA. I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. I am also a professional business plan writer, author of several books published on Amazon.com, and I'm also an adjunct professor and subject matter expert for both business and finance. So if you do want me to write your business plan for you, custom written plan, pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me email. Be delighted to do so. And also, I do offer financial projection services. So if you want your financial projections with your business plan, or if you just need financial projections for your pawn shop, again, pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me email. All right, enough about my little infomercial. Let's go ahead and talk about the star of the show, which is the pawn shop business plan. So again, if you do purchase the template, it does come with a Word document, which is right here. And once you open it, you're going to see the title page, and on the title page, most of my clients, they're going to get rid of this wording right here, pawn shop. They'll put their logo right here, and then they'll leave business plan right here. The second page is going to be your table of contents. Once you update the information in the template, you put your information in here, go to the table of contents, click on update table, update entire table, click on OK, and then all your page numbers and your headers will update accordingly. The next section is going to be the executive summary section. Here you can go ahead and put your information in regards to the pawn shop summary, your target market, your financial highlights, and then your funding request. Anywhere in yellow, I recommend you go ahead and put your information in there. Page 4, this is where we start talking about your company description, give you again a good starting point for your pawn shop summary, popular products or services you're going to offer here, competitive advantages, primary target market section, pricing strategy segment, hours of operation segment, and then you're also go ahead and be able to talk about your location right here, and then business objectives and timeline. You can tell the reader where you think you're going to be in 3 months and 6 months and a year. On page 6, you're going to find the industry analysis. I did do some research into the pawn shop industry. Specifically, I have a subscription to IBIS World. In my most humble opinion, they are the industry leader in industry research. And so what I did is I extrapolated important information from their report, put it in here, and then I offer them credit right here in a footnote. Next section is going to be your SWOT analysis, your strengths, your weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. And all you have to do is just click on the wording right here and update that as you see fit. Next section is the organizational structure. It's broken into 2 segments. This is your ownership segment right here, and this is your organizational chart. For the organizational chart, again, just click on it and put your information. In the marketing section, I do give you 3 marketing channels to go ahead and build upon, which is your traditional marketing, your internet marketing, and your social media marketing. Funding request, how much money you need to get the party started, and then it gives you plenty of opportunity to explain what your terms are expected and so on. Financial projections, the financial model does include a profit and loss statement for 1 year, broken up monthly as well as quarterly, and it's going to look something like this: month 1 through 3, quarter 1, month 4 through 6, quarter 2, month 7 through 9, quarter 3, month 10 through 12, quarter 4, and it also includes a pro forma income statement, which summarizes your revenues, your expenses, and your net profits for the next 5 years, again broken up annually. Now, in order to make any changes into the financial projections, you do need to go to the financial model. And again, this is included in the purchase of the business plan template. The financial model has 4 tabs. It has your information page. It has your projections, your profit and loss statement, again, monthly for the first year as well as quarterly, and your income statement. Any changes that you make to the information page will automatically update your profit and loss statement, your income statement, and your projection summaries. Specifically, you can change anywhere in the darker color cells. These are the areas that you change, and it will update your statements. Once you're done making those changes, all you have to do is just copy and paste the financial statement into the Word document, and you're set. Some of the sections that you can update will be your daily sales, your labor, startup costs, monthly fixed cost, tax rate, growth rates for revenues on an annual basis, also growth rates for your fixed cost, and then your loan information. All right, so let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up. So in summary, if you are interested in purchasing my Pawn Shop Business Plan template, you just go ahead and go to this link right here. It does come with the Word document, which I just showed you, also the financial model. It's a basic model. And what I haven't talked about is also I do provide you all with some free business plan tutorials, and the tutorials can be seen right here. They're free. You can access them now or after you make the purchase. Keep in mind you do need a Microsoft Word and you do need Microsoft Excel in order to make the changes. If you have any questions about the template before you buy it, please send me a text or give me a call at this number right here. Be delighted to have a great discussion. However, if you do want me to help you fill out the template, I do not offer free phone support. I do charge for my services if you want me to help you with the template. Be delighted to do so. But any questions after you purchase the template, there is a fee for my services. All right, again, if you are interested in the Pawn Shop Business Plan template, link is here. And on a final note, if you don't want to mess around with templates and you don't want to mess around with tutorials, you just want a professional to write your business plan for you or to do your projections, my pricing page is right here for custom written business plans as well as custom financial projections. All right, hopefully this information was helpful. As always, go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day.